Hey there, how's everyone doing today? Today we're going to be unboxing Seiko Presage. As you can see on the box there, this is model number SSA405, and this Presage in particular comes in the fancier white box. I say fancier jokingly. There are your booklets. One's the warranty book and the instruction booklet on it. So, kind of boring stuff. Let's get to the good stuff here. Get that out of the way, and here we go. I've seen pictures of it online, but this is a really neat looking model with the blue, real sharp. Move it around here a little bit so you can take a look at it at first glance. Very, very cool. Now this watch retails for $475, which, looking at it, you know, this is a nice looking watch, especially for that price point. You know, you've heard me complain before about some of the straps on Seikos, and the strap isn't too great either, but for the price point, the beautiful face, the blue that matches the blue strap, really, really nice looking. Now, what's nice about this Presage is you got the open heartbeat there, so you can see the movement running. Very cool. And pretty much like all Presages, it's the face that makes it stand out. It's got a pressed pattern in the dial, and the color is a gradient blue color. Just stunning. Again, for $475, you know, a nice watch to get. The caliber is a 4R38, you know, a modified 4R36, and that is mostly so you can see the heartbeat through the dial there. Very, very cool. You take a look at it, you know this is a Presage. Presage are known for having very stunning dials. Very cool. You got all stainless, but with the second hand gold. People might not like that because they like all stainless, but I think it's a great compliment when you look at it with the open heartbeat, with the yellow movement in there. I'm moving it back and forth so you get an idea of the press dial. Very sharp. This is 50 meters or a 5-bar water resistance watch, so it's more of a dress watch, as you can see. Not really a watch to take into the water. And here you can see it on my wrist. You can see blue really pops out. Very, very cool. The case diameter is a 40.5 millimeter, and if you're used to wearing bigger watches, it looks and feels a little small, but it's just cool, and it gives a nice dress watch feeling. There's no Loom on this watch, so I'll take the time to say thanks, everyone. Have a good day.